Faramagan, cooking in a Campervan. We are in Fortrose. We're in Fortrose, which is very, very, very south of the South Island. We actually went to Slope Point today, which is the most southern point of the South Island. And we're going to make quesadillas, but they might turn into burritos. So all you need is baked beans, 4-bean mix, passata, paprika, you can use chili powder obviously because it's a 5-bean chili. We chop some red peppers, garlic, onion, and then mix it all up to this beautiful mess. Not that beautiful mess.
I'm a beautiful mess.
This literally takes not even 5 minutes to chuck it all in, heat it all up. And then we're going to heat these up and put them in here like a quesadilla. Or you could just have it with rice. Super quick, super easy, and super duper cheap. So you heat the pan with oil, chuck in your just plain ordinary tortillas. These are like $1.49. You can probably get them from a pound.
Dollars.
And then fry it up, chuck in some cheese. Look at that melt. Chuck in your filling. This is your filling. Chuck it in. It's quite hard with this filling to fold it in half. So we've just woofed down some burritos on the beach.
Making coffee.
Yeah, he's making coffee. Where is it called? Otari Beach. Otari Beach. We're just outside of Invercargill.
Oreti Beach.
Oreti Beach, outside of Invercargill.
O-R-E-T-I.
And we found this in the shop. And we thought it looked ace.
Lolly cakes.
Looks like fudge with multicoloured things in it. So better taste as good as it looks.
Ingredients. Death. Crumb mix. Condensed milk. That's all you need. Flavour spice. Lolly. That's an ingredient.